Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a quick slick back natural bun. Girl, let me start off by saying I'm so annoyed. That's why I'm making this face in the video, because the entire beginning of my footage, I never click record on how I was able to get my thick curly natural hair into this slick back bun. But I am going in with Eco styling gel, the olive oil one, along with the black bottle Got2B glue. I use that to keep my hairs down because my hair is curly, and so if I just use the eco styling gel, then it lifts up, it doesn't stay slicked down. The Got2B black bottle is bomb. I have a video where I compare that glue to the yellow bottle. I'll list it in the cards above, but make sure you check that out. So here I am just playing around with my edges, making sure they're slicked down. I don't really do like dramatic baby hairs. I just do a little swoop, and that's good enough for me. And so here I'm just putting more of the gel to make it as slick as possible, taking my favorite scarf. This is a silk scarf, so the only thing I can say about using a silk scarf is that sometimes it will slide off on my head, but I like to use silk scarves because it keeps my hair really smooth. So here I'm just tying this as tight as possible, and making sure that, you know, it doesn't like slide back immediately. Of course, while you're sleeping, it may move back and forth, but girl, me personally, I get up and I redo every single scarf that I'm about to put on. But for security purposes, I do go in with multiple scarves because, like I said, that first one tends to slide the most. So this one's just going to add more security to the scarf so that when I wake up, it is still a slick pony and not looking crazy all over the place. And then I secure both of those silk scarves with some type of like head, like you can use this as a what do you want to call it? Like a headband, if you want, if you will. I got this from the beauty supply store so long ago, but I just do this right here to create like a turban type look. And that is it. I will put all of this under that, and then I call it a night and I sleep on this. Now, here is what the back is looking like. So that is just 2 twists. I split my ponytail into 2 and wrapped it into 2. Now I'm not using any bobby pins for this look, hence why it's called a slick back pony, not using any bobby pins. And I'm just kind of tightly putting that, and it's like tucking the entire time. And then I'm going in with a scrunchie to secure that. So a total of scrunchies that I'm using on my head: the one that ties my entire ponytail, this one here that ties those 2 twists, and then the one that I'm going to use on the curly hair that I'm going to use. So that's what's securing the ponytail. But you want to make sure your ponytail is slick but not too tight, because what we're going to be doing is tightening the hair. So this is the Jamaican twist braid hair. I typically use this when I do like Marley twist, but this is what it looks like. That's a brand new pack. This one that I'm showing you is already some hair that I had in my hair bag, and I just tied a loop around the hair itself. And by tying the loop around the hair itself, it causes to create like a little faux ponytail. So that is what this is. This is a previous pack of hair, but the hair I showed you is a brand new pack. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to turn around to show you guys a bit. You're going to make sure that that band goes around the ponytail as though you're tying those 2 twists. And I do that a couple times because these are the large twist bands that sometimes I use for like puffs, high puffs. But as you can see, I take half of the hair or a part of the hair and wrap it around and like kind of cover my bun, and take the remaining of that scrunchie and lock that in. That way my natural hair isn't showing through the bun. Now, if your natural hair shows through the bun, then that's fine. Just don't let it show a lot, because we want this to look like this is our hair as well. But here I'm taking the other part of the hair and going in a twisting motion. Now, this is why I said don't make your ponytail too tight. You can have it slicked back and tight enough, but this right here, as I'm wrapping, I'm tucking. I'm wrapping and tucking. And as I'm wrapping and tucking, it is actually getting tighter and tighter. So that is the purpose and the goal of this, is to wrap and tuck. But while you're wrapping, pulling it enough to make your ponytail even tighter. So that is what the back is going to look like. And like I was saying, just make sure your ponytail is slick, but not too tight from the jump, because if you want this to look like yours, voila, magic, then you want to make sure that you're pulling the ponytail hair as tight as possible. Like, this hair blends in perfectly with my hair, so that's why I use a Jamaican twist. But you can use any hair to try to do a faux bun or a ponytail. Sometimes I'll do a high up bun, but I really liked how this turned out. I think this is my first time doing a low pony like this, and it came out like really good. I used to do this when I was like transitioning my hair, but I've been natural for so long now, and my hair has definitely grew. So I really enjoyed doing this bun, and this has been the style for the week during this quarantine. Like, I didn't feel like doing another type of protective style. No beauty supply store is open in my city, so I have to use the hair that is in my hair bag and make it work, honey. So this little ponytail, I was actually feeling. So yeah, that's what you want your ponytail to look like. It looks really natural. It looks like it's my hair, just a lot of hair back there. And of course I had to like show off with a camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I do apologize that the beginning footage was missing. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.